Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead switch your professional account to personal account on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, go ahead, access your Instagram app on your mobile phone. Afterwards, simply go ahead, tap on this profile icon given in the below right corner of the section. Now tap on this three horizontal line on top right and tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll a bit. Once you have turned it to a professional, you will be able to find this option of this section of for professionals only on that account. You have to tap on this business tools and controls, and here from the list you have to find this option of switch account type, which will be located on the below section. Tap on it. Now simply go ahead, tap on this switch to personal account and tap on this again confirmation. And now we're going to go back to our home screen, refresh a bit, go back to our profile, go back, again refresh. Now you can see we have turned our account to personal, just likewise over there. So that is the way we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.